Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency, or simply IREDA or IREDA, has company has given more than 700% from its IPO. So recently there is a buzz that the company is planning to increase fundraising by 4,500 crore through QIP. So is this still a buy in every dip is what we are going to see today. Hello everyone, welcome back to Nandus Equity. IREDA, a hidden gem in the green energy sector, and it has emerged as a star performer in the stock market, offering tremendous returns to its investors. Since its IPO in November 2023 last year, the stock has multiplied investors' wealth by more than 700%, and the momentum continues. Let's quickly understand what does IREDA do. So IREDA is a government-owned financial institution under the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, established to promote and finance renewable energy projects. So IREDA provides financial assistance for development and commercialization of new and renewable energy sources. As I said earlier, in the IPO it was priced at 32 rupees and debuted at 50 rupees, and also it skyrocketed to an all-time high of 310, and recently it has come down to about the current level of 260 rupees, which is still about a 420% gain from its IPO price. The company is planning to raise up to 4,500 crore through QIP, which could be a game changer. The fundraise is expected to support its ambitious growth plans in the renewable energy sector, positioning it for further success. As part of this fundraising effort, IREDA has sought a 10% stake dilution from Government of India. The dilution could lead to a change in the shareholding pattern, but it also signals the government's continued confidence in the company's potential. IREDA is considering various options to raise funds, including the QIP, qualified institutional placement, and also rights issues. A final decision will be made in the upcoming board meeting on 29th August 2024. IREDA has a strong foundation for its growth and solid financials. In June 2024 quarter, it reported a net profit of 383 plus crore, reflecting a 30 plus % year-on-year growth. The company also saw a significant increase in loan sanctions and disbursements, reinforcing its financial health. Its loan portfolio not just was but also geographically diversified across 23 different states and 4 union territories. This diversification helps IREDA to mitigate risks and tap into various renewable energy opportunities across the country. IREDA has a well-balanced sector exposure with a focus on solar, thermal and photovoltaic, which is 27%, wind 18%, hydro at 12%. This diversified sector exposure positions IREDA to benefit from India's growing renewable energy market. Asset quality has shown consistent improvement, with gross NPA reducing to 2.36% from 3.21%. This improvement in asset quality is a positive sign for investors, reflecting better risk management. The company's net worth surged by 44+%, reaching to 8,560 crores in FY24. This increase in net worth highlights its strong financial foundation, making it a safer bet for investors looking for stability. Why does this particular fundraising really matter? So India has set an ambitious target of achieving 500 gigawatts of renewable energy capacity by 2030. To contribute to this goal, IREDA needs capital. So this 4,500 crore fundraise will provide the necessary resources for IREDA to finance more projects and drive India's green energy mission. This is the key fundamentals by number. The market capital has been rising, and the current price being at 260, well below the all-time high of 310. There is a clear possibility of reaching there. And I think we cannot really see its P fundamentals, as it has already gone high. That's the reason you are seeing a higher stock P compared to even industry P. And of course we cannot see this debt as a debt because this is the financing company. And also PEG ratio or intrinsic value, in any of these aspects you cannot evaluate this particular company, so I am ignoring that. From a technical perspective, there is a clear sign, and we can see a triangle pattern also from its 240 level to 310 level, which is quite possible. And there is a recent volume. I think perhaps the last week spike that has caused once the news is kind of out. So people, as always, they start buying when there is a rumor, and that's a clear sign as it is going to be confirmed by August 29 about the QIP. So there is a possibility of further higher, going further higher. So for existing shareholders, I always feel it's a wise decision to hold for long, and for new investors, the stock has already delivered significant returns. The upcoming fundraise and also the push for renewable energy could be a very good opportunity. However, we need to really be aware that keep an eye to the market conditions and also the outcome of the board meeting that's going to happen on August 29. So in conclusion, IREDA's impressive market performance, solid financials, and strategic focus on renewable energy make it a compelling investment. While it has already delivered extraordinary returns, there could be more room for growth as the company gears up for its next phase of expansion. Investors should consider the stock as a long-term potential rather keeping it for short-term. And it is more about India's growth and India's push for renewable energy growth. So you should always consider SIP mode of investing rather investing too much into lump sum. And also this is a very good stock from a long-term portfolio perspective. And of course always check for market condition, and this is not a buy or sell recommendation. Thank you so much for watching. Hope this video is useful to you. If so, please click the like button. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe and support. And this is not a buy or sell recommendation. Always consult a SEBI registered financial advisor for your financial decisions.